Hello, a very warm welcome to everybody, each and every single one who's looking at me. So before having me look at him, uh, how enthusiastic he is. Look at him. A warm welcome to everybody who is sitting at me watching this commence this actual journey. Before having it, I would like to share about what we gonna discuss in this segment in this session. Tomorrow we have over the video. Here I will identify this is the This is a part of our brain that's right before glymphatic system, right before I draw a very small and diabetic portion of brain. Look at the diabetic portion of the glymphatic system, how it looks like in the brain. Here, it is no network which is found in our brain. Today we want to discuss on a brief or short the part of rest, remain, and broad part we will be discussing. We will keep that. So today only we'll talk about we would be discussing about the brief and short. Listen, lymphatic system, it is a part of brain. In brain, how it looks like, take a look, and it was a very important lymphatic system. It's the brain, and inside the brain, it looks like it's all network. Let's talk about, I read, the brain's within brain system. How are substituted with release day by day in our mind and our toxic things clean from our brain. So, lymphatic system is responsible for cleaning all toxic things or unwanted things uh, which will come from our society in our mind and how it works. So that is as it's called the brain's hidden cleaning system. It does work inside the brain. When it will work, when it does work, deep sleep. When you are having, when you are taking a deep sleep, or when you are taking a very napping during night. So it does work when you deep sleep, the system becomes most active. During slow wave sleep, always keep remember, it does work when you will deep sleep, slow wave sleep, when you will feel very relaxed during sleep, then it does work actually ended. Okay. During this, how it works. So during deep sleep, the brains, with the help of the different system, during deep sleep, the brain's cleaning activity and increasing greatly. So when you are having deep sleep, good sleep, enough or nap, then it actually works in there. So that's why it doesn't work when you are taking a nap only 2 or 3 hours. So when you were taking at least 7 to 8 hours deep sleep, then going to have access from will actually work. And how it looks like, it is a group of network, which is found inside our brain. Let's have a look. Before, if we talk about before 2012, you haven't heard about this glymphatic system. That's because it is discovered in 20. That's why you have heard before 2010. So that's why it is first discovered in 2012, and all these study will fall under neuroscience. So under neuroscience, we study lymphocyte, all parts of brain, all actively everything. Yes, well, lymphatic system, it is also part of neuroscience. So that was for today's addition, and I hope it is really useful and most crucial. And at the very end of this video, what were outcomes you would be able to uh, you would be able to give an answer if anybody will ask you lymphatic system, what is the lymphatic system, how it does activate the rest and more remaining part of left part among the lymphatic system. Will listen. Peace out, born of me, and please, I want to request each and everybody, do not forget to like, share, comment.